Okay, so I'm back. I wanted to show you guys my updated wash day routine. I did this a couple of months ago, but I kind of like revamped or like updated. So I wanted to show y'all what I do with my hair. So starting off first, I like to use my African Pride Moist, girl, I got hair all on this, Moist Miracle Aloe and Coconut Water Detangle and Conditions Pre-Shampoo. So this will be the first thing that I use. My hair is struggle city, so I like to use this to help detangle my hair. This is the first thing I use. After that, after I wash my hair, I'm gonna use this AsIAm coconut co-wash. This is gonna be like my shampoo, because I just realized what a co-wash was. Even though I've been natural for 2 years, like, so distribute the word product through hair, massage scalp with fingertips as you would conventional shampoo for easy detangling. So this is what I'm gonna use. Once I wash out the pre-poo, use this. And then I'm gonna go in with my Dove recovery mask. This right here, I let this sit on my hair. It says you're supposed to let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes, but hey, I don't listen. So I let it sit for at least an hour, 2 hours. And it makes my hair feel so soft, so moisturized. It's not, it doesn't feel damaged or like it's stripping or drying my hair. So this is really good, this Dove recovery mask. So after that, I'm gonna go in with this AsIAm So Much Moisture. It's like a hydrating lotion, almost like a conditioner, like a leave-in. So I'm gonna use this. And I'm gonna, sometimes I mix my conditioners, my leave-ins. So I think I really don't like this Dove leave-in conditioner. The only thing I really love out of this whole Dove line would be this. This is it. Cause I don't like the Dove shampoo. It is not what's popping. But I'm gonna do what they call it, a wash and go, which is really not. So, but I am gonna use my Taliah Waajid Apple and Aloe Curl Definer. This is Bay. And Bay is expensive, and I'm running low on Bay, so I'm gonna have to make this stretch. But I am gonna use some of my Taliah Waajid Apple and Aloe leave-in conditioner. I like this too, so this is really good. And with my leave-in, I'm gonna put back on my shower cap, let that sit for like another hour. This is the time that I cook, clean, iron school uniforms, do everything I need to do. And then I, take the shower cap off. I use my oil because my hair gets really dry. This is not the oil that's in here. This is just a bottle that I use. But in here I have tea tree oil, peppermint oil, argan oil, tea tree, peppermint, argan, coconut, and I think that's it. All of that is in here. So this is what I use. And I don't put too much, but I know they say when you're natural, you're not supposed to oil your hair. Girl, or your oil, put oil on your hair. Don't look. Put the oil on there. So I'm gonna use that. Look, so what I'm about to show you right now, it might be a little bit scary. So this is what my hair looks like. Let me tell you something. I'm a mama. I'm busy. I have a lot going on. I don't have time to be, doing all that extra stuff. So what I like to do, take my hair. Do I pay attention to the sections? No. So do my hair like this. Get a hair tie. And like I say, I'm gonna put my pre-shampoo on because this helps with my hair, with the detangling and all of that of my hair. Try not to, don't be like me, y'all. Be better than me. But healthy hair is very important. It is. It really is. I'm not gonna sit there and lie and say, oh, it's just hair. No, it's very important. But it's just hair. So yeah, I just put my pre-poo on there. This is what it looks like. It's really slimy looking, but put this all over. And see, my hair is already like detangling. And I'm not even like brushing through it or anything. But let's put that on there. Then I get my brush. Start at the ends, be gentle. It's not a race. Okay. Then you want to move up. But you don't have to be, because I noticed like with me, at first I go in out, and I was taking out a lot of my hair by doing it. So yeah, just be gentle. Especially with those colored ends. Okay. So yeah, basically this section is detangled. Okay, so I'm back. I applied all of my pre-shampoo. This is what my hair is looking like. See how I detangled my hair? I went in with my brush, but for the most part, my hair is detangled. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my shower cap and let this sit. Let this sit for about, how long does it say? I should already know, but yeah, 15 to 30 minutes. So that's an hour in Natalie time. Hey, I'm back. Okay, so I let my pre-poo sit. Then I went and washed my hair with my my AsIAM coconut Cowash. So this is what my hair is looking like. So far, so good. The Cowash it's pretty good. I like that. So the next thing I'm gonna do is go in with my my Dove recovery mask, and I'm gonna do the same thing I did like with my pre-shampoo. I'm gonna put this on, and I'm going to let it sit. And yeah, so this is the time when you let this stuff sit. This is the time when you do everything that you need to do around the house. So I love this recovery mask because it's just really, it really has my hair like feeling so soft. It has a thick consistency, really thick. Oh, she thick. But let's put this on. And I just let this sit. So since I'm cooking at an iron school uniform, so I'm probably gonna let this sit for about an hour or two with my shower cap. Then I'll be back. So yeah. And I only have a little bit left, so I kind of got to make this stretch. But my hair's still kind of tangled. Y'all can. I tried to give y'all like that dramatic effect of like, but yeah, it ain't working. But this is what my curls are looking like right now. So yeah, so I'm gonna put this on, put my shower cap back on, let it sit for like an hour or two, and then we'll be back. So right back. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. What does it say? I don't know. Okay, so I'm about to go in. I washed out that recovery mask, and I don't know if y'all can see, but this is what my hair is looking like. So okay, so I'm gonna go in with my leave-in conditioner. And just put that on my hair. Make sure you get those ends. I'm also gonna go in with some of this leave-in, this Dove leave-in. Make sure you get those ends. So my hair is actually detangled. So get my brush. Yeah. So what I'm about to do is I'm gonna do my wash and goes. Well, no, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put all this conditioner on, put my shower cap back on, sit for like 30 minutes, and then I'm going to take it out, take the shower cap off, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys how I style my wash and goes. Okay? Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay, so we are finally at the end of this long journey of doing my hair. So I've let my leave-in conditioner sit on my hair for 30 minutes with my shower cap. Oof, I almost got choked, child. So yeah, this is what my hair is looking like. Put just a little bit more of this AsIAm. I'll put just a little bit more to get my hair moisture, because gel dries out your hair. In my opinion, it does. Okay. Then I'm gonna go in with some of my curl definer. About that much. Gonna put this on it. Okay. And then I'm gonna go in with my gel. So then I'm just gonna take each section. Did y'all see that bounce back? Hold on, let me get in closer. Hold on. Girl, go on now. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Girl. But yeah, so that's what I do. I just go through each strand of hair. Well, not like each strand, but you know. Girl, stop playing. Stop playing. But yeah. So. And I just keep doing this. And this is what it looks like. So then I just, you know, like scrunch it up, make the curls pop or whatever. I don't even know if this stuff is focusing, y'all, and I'm so sorry. So then after that, I go in with a little bit of oil, just a little bit. And I just put that on my hair too. And that's it. So, okay. Go in with a little bit more gel. These are my curls. So Okay, maybe that's better. So yeah. So I'm back. So yes, I was supposed to do this 2 days ago when I first did my hair, but I kind of forgot. But yeah, so I just wanted to show you the end result of my hair. This is my updated wash and go routine. So let me get in close so you all can see the curls. Like I said, I just left the gym, so it might not be as fresh as it needs to be, but hey, work with me. But yeah, this is the back. So yeah, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, any comments, any of that, down below. And we can interact with each other, you know. And also, if you want, follow me on Instagram. It's miss.natalie, that is Natalie. .Michelle, that is Michelle. But yeah, until next time. Bye. Love you.